Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working from home as a affiliate since 2015. I did many mistakes, I struggled a lot, but fortunately I made it a successful business since the mid of 2017. Uh, I usually share my actual and honest experience with people like you who are interested to start their online working journey, making money from home, setting up an online business, and moving to the laptop lifestyle and this huge digital space. Today I'm going to speak about three important strategies you should take right now if you are planning to start online business, because it's important as a foundation for your online business and will help you a lot when you take action and start your actual step. So I will see you after this short break. Welcome back, my friends. These three strategies you want to take is the first one is to invest into yourself. Then and again, we come back to this important thing, which is building your knowledge. Building your knowledge is to absorb, to acquire more information about this huge business. You know that the internet, the technology nowadays is dominating the markets, and millions of people every day taking the leap of faith and moving to work online from home. Actually, it's not only from home, you can work anywhere you are. You are in a vacation, visiting a friend in a gym, in the park, anywhere you can work if you have an online business and have access to the internet. To invest in yourself is to keep expanding your knowledge daily. It's easy. Watching videos, we spoke about this issue a lot, is important in the niche you want to work, you want to plan, or something like interest you, or it is your hobby, and you find yourself that you have something to deliver later, but now you need to expand your knowledge to be a specialist, to be knowledgeable, to have the good up to date information for that, so that when you decide to take action and start your step, you already have the basic knowledge for that. So watching videos, doing search online, watching webinars, attending any business show, reading books. Nowadays a lot of free ebooks and PDFs offering for free from people who want to attract people to this kind of business. So keep learning, and then to implement that in your business when you take action and start your first steps. The second strategy is, if you have right now any amount under your hand as a saving, you need to inject it to any kind of business that it's secure, there is no risk to take it, and you can check that if you have a friend, if you have a family member, or someone who you can ask for advice to give you the steps how to inject, like even this is small amount, not to keep it in the bank or anywhere, because that will generate for you any more money will be good if you maybe you'll need later if you start your actual step to work online. The third one is to think or start checking your check about the best training courses, because it is important by the end. The training courses will guide you through the steps on how to do the setup, because the online business, any online business needs to understand how to use the softwares. I mean, there is a lot of tools you have to plug into your system later so that it will work for you anytime. These tools like the autoresponder, which help you to build your list and communicate with your subscriber, and the ClickFunnels that will help you to build even the sales page exactly, and because by the end you will need to promote the offers that you already decided to work with or on it. I mean the products as affiliate or any other online business, you should have the autoresponder and the funnel builder. And there is a lot of there is many softwares you need to work on and understand later. So the training course will exactly give you the blueprint and the steps on how to work on that. So checking from now for the best, even because there is thousands of offers on the market, but some of them are up to date, others a little bit out to date. So you need to understand that. Ask for help, ask a question, take many things, attend webinars. It will be easy for you to understand which one you can go for it later. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, please drop me a line, and check my channel daily, because I'm gonna upload a lot of good advices, tips and information related to my actual experience working online. And if you want any more information, feel free to email me. You can find my email in the description box below, and I will see you very soon. Thank you.